Good evening, this is Hotel Felicity's front desk. Patrick, how may I assist you today?
Hello, I'm looking for my friend staying in your hotel. Can you assist me with that?
I'll try my best to assist you, ma'am. May I know the name of that person?
Yeah, sure. It's Josh Kali.
Can you spell it out for me, please?
Okay, Josh Kali, J for Juliet, O for Oscar, S for Shara, H for Hotel, and as for the Kali, it's C for Charlie, A for Alpha, L for Lima, and I for India.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. So just to confirm, it's Josh Cowley, right?
Yes.
Okay, is it fine if I place you on hold for a minute? I'll just check his name in our system.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much for patiently waiting on the line. By the way, upon checking in our system, Josh Cowley is currently residing in our hotel. And for privacy and confidentiality, I apologize, but I'm not allowed to tell you his room number as well as the floor he is currently residing and his check-out and check-in date. On the other hand, I can try calling his room and tell him that you're currently looking for him. Is that fine?
Yeah, sure. That would be great.
Okay, may I know your name?
Yeah, it's David.
Can you spell it out for me, please?
Okay. David. D for Delta, E for Echo, V for Victor, I for India, and as for Gray, G for Golf, R for Romeo, A for Alpha, and E for Echo.
Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am David. I'll be right back. I'll place you on hold.
Okay.
Hi, Ma'am David. By the way, I have good news. Mr. Josh is currently at the end of the line. And aside from this, is there anything else that I can help you with?
No, that's it.
Okay, once again, this is Hotel Felicity's front desk Patrick. I'll be connecting you with him right now. Have a wonderful day and keep safe.
Okay, thank you. You did great.